Hey, this is Jeep Rock. I'm going to real quickly show you different examples of cup holders, and these all have different types of accessories that come with them. I'll go ahead and start off with the first one right here. And again, I'm going to unbox each one, and then I'll show you some different beverages and stuff you can put in, just show you the different sizes it comes with. So it comes with two different pieces on this one. This is going to be the accessory piece, and then when you bring this out, you can see I'm sitting behind a lake right now, so I don't want to lose any trash or anything in the lake, so be very careful. But the way it works is you have this piece that's already put together for you. This piece right here is all rubber, so it's not hard plastic. This is all rubber, and it's going to give you a nice, good fit to it. And then there's going to be this accessory piece, and the way it works is adjustable by putting in these different rubber pads for the larger ones or the smaller ones. So it comes with 4 of those. And then what you do is you'll hear a click. I'll do one right here for you. And you hear that click. So now you have an accessory. What this is going to do is if you have maybe a spot where you only have one room for a cup holder, and some vehicles may only have one cup holder, you put this on, now you have 2 cup holders. So this one goes in your existing one, you have an extra one. So that's how that one works. The next one, I'll go ahead and put this to the side. The next one's going to be this one. This one is going to be one with the storage box on the side. So same idea. Got the base cup. This one I went ahead and I left the little pieces in, so you can see this is how it would come from the factory. You have these pieces already installed. And then this one's got the accessory storage on the side. And same thing, you'll hear it click when I slide it in. And let's say that you're using this for a while and you're like, oh, I like the storage for a while, or maybe it's just getting in my way. You can simply put your finger underneath and you can just pull straight up, and that will remove that tab. So you don't, it's not permanent. So again, you just hear it click though. And then that's your piece right there. And again, I'll show you a little bit more once we go in and show you what we can put in these. So we'll go ahead and put this to the side. And then the last one, this one is really cool because this has allowed me to even be able to eat in my vehicle, as I can actually put a full meal on the side of this tray. But you can use it for other stuff as well. So again, you have the large cup again, storage cup. And this is again how it would come from the factory. You have your accessory piece like we've mentioned before and the other ones. And we'll go ahead and click that one on because I'll show you why this one's different. You put this click in. This one's really tight. And you hear that click. This one's got a tray to it. Again, you can remove these pieces if you're not using them at certain times, or if you want to use them just for a trip or something like that. But here is how this works. This one just clips right into the existing cup holder. So that's why this one's the coolest one of them all. But see how it works right here. Now with that in there, with that round, the way it's clicked in, it's actually adjustable. So you can rotate it however you need in your vehicle. So if you're sitting right here, you can rotate it. If you're sitting here with a cup, and then if you notice up top, because I mentioned earlier there's another cup holder, here on top you have a cup holder, and then you've also got a little tray with little parts so you can put your phone here, and they've even got cutouts. So if you had like a charging cable or something, you could have your charging right here. Just want to show you real quickly what these look like with the different options. This is a cutout, so of course you'd have this for a handle, so there's not interference. If this was a lower handle, it would work okay with that. And also, it does look really high right now, so keep that in mind. This is all going to be your cup holder, so that's going to be how high it's going to be. You can also have like your power drinks right here would work. Even a can fits in there. And again, you can take these in and out, these little rubber pieces here. And there is a coaster type kind of rubber coaster here in the bottom. You want to keep that in mind too. This is a little some milk here, and then just a little breakfast drink. And what I think is really cool though, because again how big it is, you may not really need to worry about that if your normal cup holder is going to hold a can, which you shouldn't have a problem with that. But if you had something like a power drink this size, which in the summertime it's going to fit too, which is really nice, which I like that option. And then what I thought was even cooler than that is that was a big drink right there, but you can also come in around and say, well, this is round, so what can I put in here as well that would work? Believe it or not, this water for here will fit too. So I thought that was nice too. So just again, a whole bunch of different options that'll work with this type of cup holder. And again, this is all rubber, so it's not going to mar up any of your nice center console or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead now, jump into our vehicle and show you what these look like installed. Again, they're really easy to do. All you're going to do is just use a cup holder and just push straight down, and that's going to grip into that. So I'll show you that next. A new way of eating in the Jeep. Here you can see there's no interference with the shifter. We have the Joytutus tray, and we also have a cubby hole here, and then we have a drink. And then with this tray, you also have a place for yet another drink, so we could put it back here in the other Joytutus. And then we can put our dipping sauces here. Grab us a fry to eat from Chick-fil-A. But here is the tray, and we also have enough for a sandwich. So this is also be able to turn as well. Give it to the side of whatever you need. It's a great little setup here. Again, all right in the middle of your console.